Yeah, it's the last day of the Gumball, and we're trying to beat all the speed records, which should be quite hard because we've gone as fast as we can possibly go. So, hopefully, like a downhill stretch.
Now, this is one crazy guy. In fact, I look for him at the end of every night to see if he actually made it or whether he did.
We heard the Gumball was coming, so we tried to get as many people from our group to come up and go. We went up to I-10 to wait for you guys.
We will wait here patiently for these guys to come flying by. We've arranged for John and a few other Infoites to meet us down in Gainesville because they are cruising to Hooters in Ocala.
GT2 came by us, revved his engine, took off. We all jumped in the car.
It's fast!
Oh shit.
It's great. Gumball really rules.
All right, well, we just ran to our cars, sprinted Le Mans style, because we heard a modified 911 turbo that flew past us and gunned it as we went by. Dude, where the hell did this guy go? It's silver. It's modified. It is fucking hauling ass.
This fucking Porsche 911 GT2, he's going 180 miles an hour at least. Wow!
Holy shit!
You want to find something a little bit faster?
Oh, yeah, we got some guy in a little bit that'll race you.
It's a Mustang Cobra.
It's a lot faster than my car.
Not a race, it's a rally. Jesus Christ. He just said it's not a race, it's a rally.
That was awesome driving, man.
Shit.
Fucking good. We lived.
I know, we live.
Shit, that was insane. Hold on, I hear a siren.
Oh dear, we're in the shit. How fast are we going, officer? 135. 135. First English ticket.
Hey!
So now there's going to be a lot more coming through.
The hardest driver by a mile. Rob Kenworthy and Hannah.
I think we all agree if there was an award for the bravest driver, it would go to my girlfriend Hannah, who would go to sleep and wake up and say, why the fuck are we only doing 130?
It's great. Gumball really rules.